Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make authentic Mexican frijoles charros. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. So I went ahead and boiled pinto beans. You can use any type of beans for this process. It doesn't have to be pinto. It could be any kind of beans you would like, but I prefer pinto. And I've only cooked them for about 20 minutes. They're still kind of hard because I'm still going to be boiling them up with the meats. You're going to need your meats. It could be any type of meat you would like for this dish. I'm using bacon sausage, tomato, onion, chorizo, and I forgot to also show that I'm using ham and jalapeno for this recipe. So let's get started, you guys. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and cut your sausage. This is gonna, for every meat you put into your dish, you're going to be doing the same thing. You're going to be cutting it, and after you cut your meat, whether it's sausage, bacon, ham, chorizo, etc., you're going to be frying it. So that's what I went ahead and did with the sausage. I went ahead and frying them. And then I went ahead and cut the bacon. I went ahead and put, I didn't do one bacon at a time because it was really hard for me because this knife sucked. So I went ahead and just layered the bacons. So we go ahead and cut that and fry it. And you guys, after you fry them, you can put it in the pan, just so everything can be together, because you're gonna cook everything together. So that's what I did. Next, we're gonna be frying tomato and onion. Your onions can be as this big. I didn't want nobody to choke on my onions. Not that anybody chokes on onion, but if you have someone in your family that doesn't like onion, it can be easily taken out. Went ahead and cooked the chorizo, and now I'm cutting the ham. This is regular honey ham. You can use any type of ham. I know my boyfriend's family, he told me that sometimes they don't even put sausage in it, which is weird, because in my Mexican family we use sausage, and I guess this doesn't, but it's different. Doesn't mean that it doesn't taste as good as the other. So after frying all the meats, the sausage, the ham, the chorizo, whatever you used for your dish, you want to go ahead and put it in the pan that you put everything together, and fill it up with water. I'm also throwing in cilantro to give it flavor. I went ahead and added them 2 jalapenos I was talking about earlier. And you should be boiling and cooking this for about 30 minutes. You can always go ahead after the 30 minutes and taste to see if it's good. This is just until the beans have cooked thoroughly, because in the first part we only did boil the beans for like 20 minutes. They were still kind of hard, and in this process they're going to be cooked thoroughly. So I went ahead and just start cooking them beans. And that's how I make frijoles charros. If you like how I made this video, comment and like the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I hope to see you guys next time in my next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.